shut up. So we are going to make supper for Papa and Malika. And
What about you? You're not eating?
I'm eating sardines. I'm going to make sardines also with eggs. So there's, every time I cook, there's always 3 sets of food. Okay, so what am I making? What's your craving tonight? Papa's craving.
This is called Aloco.
In English.
It's basically fried plantain.
Yes.
Delicious.
So delicious because it's swimming in oil. So it's delicious, healthy.
I
So
mean, you still have to like try to drain the oil as much as possible.
Yes.
Before you eat.
okay, so basically I'll just fry it. So I'll prepare this later once. While I'll do that, I'll have to heat my pan. This plantain into small pieces.
So what are you doing?
So I'm just peeling it off. I'm just peeling the banana off. And then cut it in small pieces for us to fry it.
That's a beat up banana.
Okay, so it's already cut. Let me just show this to you closer. So that's how it looks like. Regular, normal banana.
Technically, you're like supposed to add a little bit of salt before you cook it.
I used to do that when I first find out, or when he first introduced this to me, that he likes this. But sodium is not good, so I'm not
I'm just
putting.
saying, back home, the women that sell it on the street,
Yeah.
they'll be adding the salt.
Okay.
Just saying.
So
Right.
optional.
It's still.
I don't put salt in mine because too much salt is not good. Charot. Do you want salt?
Nah, I'm good. I've been eating without salt. What's this?
So I think my fruits. I'm also preparing my fruits for tomorrow. Okay, so our pan is already hot.
You're not gonna wear your goggles.
No.
People don't listen until stuff happens to them.
Thank you. Okay, so then let's put this on. They can't see me. Can you show? Okay, so this. So it's hot already, and then let's just put it on there, and just fry it until it's cooked. Or shall I say, or use the word golden brown? Okay, 1 second. And yeah, this is an ice cream container.
Mommy?
Okay, so.
Mommy?
Yeah. Wow! Look, show them Malika's work, Papa. Okay. So there.
Wow!
Just-
Look at that, Malika.
I have 2 princess.
Good job.
This is 2 pizza for mommy.
Good job.
This is
Are you sure this oil is hot?
Yeah. So you just have to wait until it's cooked in one side.
Mommy, can you let it egg, please?
What you doing, Malika?
My turn. Put it here, okay? Give it.
Way.
Hey.
Search is currently on. To turn it off.
Tell Alexa to play. Okay. Write letter A.
I want letter O.
Letter O. Wow, very nice.
What's the letter eat? What's letter E?
Letter E. Do letter E.
What's letter F?
That's not letter E, Malika.
Baby, I want a letter.
Let me show you letter E. Can Papa help you? Letter E. Boop, boop, boop. Wow, look, that's E.
That's why she looks so sad.
president and Kate.
Boop. 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 Yeah.
Okay, how's your day? So how's your day today?
My day was kind of chill.
Because you didn't have to go to work today. Their office is closed.
Yeah. So I didn't rush. You know, dropped you guys off, came back home, did my meditation. You know,
So is this
read
this
some
how,
of the news.
so is this how you spend your day most of the time?
I mean, that's how I want to spend my day. Have time to meditate. You know, go to the gym. But I'm not quite there yet. I will make that happen though. So I did that. Took a nice shower. I went to wash the car that really needed the wash. Like, how many months has it been since we washed that car? And I washed it, but there's some areas that are still not clean. Anyways, so I went to the gym. I was there for like 2 hours, which is the amount of time I need to work out. People say you only need like 30 minutes at the gym. I don't know. I'm a different cat.
So when you go to the gym, what do you normally do? Do you do weights and stuff?
I mean, I usually start with like cardio. Because you need to like
Pump up.
You need to get pumped. Right? So I start with cardio, treadmill for like maybe 10 minutes, intense running. And then after 10 minutes I'm like sweating. So then when I'm sweating like that, that means I'm ready. So I'm running, I lift a little bit. You know, I mean, some people go to the gym to like try to get so buff. Not me. Not me. I'm focused on that lean figure. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to get too big. I'm also not trying to be skinny. You know, I'm just trying to maintain.
Okay.
But
So what's your advice for people that just want to be like lean?
look, those people those trainers, they say you should eat, you know. They have these pre-made meals. I'm not a trainer. Even if I had a trainer and he told me to eat that, I wouldn't do that. I want to eat what I want to eat. But you need to be careful. I'm not sitting out here eating burgers every day, eating fries every day. I mix up my meals. You know? Right now I'm having fruits. You gotta have fruits, you gotta have some vegetables. I'm really bad with vegetables, but I need to change that. You gotta have vegetables, you know? And yeah, you know, don't be eating burgers all the time, fries all the time, tacos. No. I just eat a little bit of everything, but in moderation. Not too much. You know. So yeah, you can't tell me to just eat vegetables all week. Nah, not happening. Sometimes I need that steak. You know? There are times I also need that KFC. Shout out KFC. I wish there was a Popeyes close by. So Popeyes is only in the States and like Toronto and those places. They're not here. That's okay though. But yeah, I was planning to like work on some personal stuff, but I don't know. but it didn't happen. But that's about it for my day. How about you? How was it at the office? Fun?
Fun day at the office. Always fun at the trading desk. I'm just joking. That's okay. My day's okay. The same.
What did you do, Malika?
And Malika's day, I don't know. Malika's day,
How
her
was your
teacher said that she didn't have the mood to study, so they were just playing and stuff. Okay, so while cooking, fam, we're gonna share with you what Adam did today. So he also went to, because Malika's 3 already and she's turning 4 in September.
Yeah.
And so we kind of want her to start going to school, so then she'll get more, what you call that?
I mean, she's going to preschool. So I went to check out this school. It's a French school. Just because I speak French, I want her to have that ability too. Her mom really should be learning French, but hey, you know, old people set in their ways. So
Old? You're calling me old? Oh my
Yeah.
God.
So this is the brochure that I got.
So what school is it?
I'm just gonna read over the documents.
What's the name of the school? Can you share?
It's called Prématernelle La Vérandrie.
You can't even
I actually
say
don't know what Vérandrie is. I have to look that up. Vérandrie. It's a French name. Anyways, I mean, my choice would be for her to like learn the French from France. This is what we learned. But I mean, we can't be choosy. When Canada, I guess we have to learn to speak the Canadian French. So, Malika, look, it's your school. Yeah, yeah. You can't be seen on camera. That's okay. So yeah, French school. Okay. Another one. Okay, last one.
Last one?
More.
Yeah.
No more
the
after that.
again.
And Malika was crying.
So this thing is like really detailed. This is pretty much the registration forms, and it's a book. There's at least 10 pages in here. So I'm really gonna have to sit down to go through this and make sure that it's done properly. So yeah, hopefully it's not too much of a shock for her.
Mommy, this
Going
one
to a
is
place where people are talking to you in some strange language, because I don't speak much French to her here. I don't speak any at all, which is terrible, but I'm trying to change that, because it's important that she be bilingual. Get that edge on most kids. I would say teach her Tagalog, but where else can she use Tagalog? Only in the Philippines.
Yeah, but when it's also good. She can also learn Tagalog.
French first.
Yeah, French first for sure, the priority. But she can also learn Tagalog, because if she goes home to the Philippines, then she can communicate also. I mean, like she not really like she can communicate, but at least she can understand.
Yeah, I guess. Doesn't hurt. But
Right.
we're going with French first. Because French, at least you can use in multiple countries.
Yeah, and it's a
Multiple.
big, like if you're bilingual in Canada also, maybe it's like it gives her more opportunity when she grows up. So, because
I
if you
mean-
want to become a flight attendant in Canada, you have to speak French.
Yeah, see, I've heard this a lot. This, oh yeah, being bilingual, using an edge.
But
If you want to work government jobs,
mm,
I mean, we're not all out here trying to work government jobs.
okay.
So,
Okay.
yeah. We don't all want to do that. Plus, those people that are supposed but yeah, that's what I want. I've been wanting that before she was even born. I want her to go to this French school. There isn't many in Lethbridge.
Yeah.
They have French immersion. I don't really know what that is, but I don't want that. I want this school because all they speak there is French.
Mm.
So hopefully she's still young enough that she'll be able to pick up the language quickly. But I need to do my part. I need to do my part here, speak to her. And so do you.
So
You need to learn French.
okay.
It's like when we're ready to go back home to my place,
Mm-hmm.
guess what?
They're all French.
Nobody speaks English over there, so you better learn something. So yeah, that's what I did today.
Because I was actually trying to call the school.
Papa,
And I can't even. Well, the person that answered the phone, she was greeting me in French, and I was like, "Hi, I'm just going to." And then they referred me to the department where handles new student or stuff like that. And then they didn't answer the call, and a recording came up and just like in French. I was like, what is?
I mean, it is a French school. So
Yeah. So.
what you
Good
expect?
thing he went, because we've been wanting to know about first. The very first that we need to tackle is
Yeah.
to get her potty trained.
Yeah. We need to take that more seriously. Because we're getting older every day. And we're like, wow, very nice, sunshine.
I'm also making turkey bacon for Malika because she's been craving turkey bacon. And also hot dogs. Got it. So this is what it's looking right now. Almost ready. And I'm also boiling eggs because Adam likes to eat it with eggs. So it's done and ready. And Asawako's very hungry already. So didn't even able to vlog it, fam. So there you go. That's the finished product. So then I put this paper towel so then it drains the extra oil. How was it?
Delicious.
And then he ate it with some chicken, fried chicken and barbecue chicken. That's it. What are you gonna say?
Thanks for joining us. Until next time.